Okay, so now guys, we are totally done with our speed optimization, our SSL, and everything. Okay, now I want to thank you all for being a part of my course. Okay, I seriously enjoyed teaching you guys. Okay, now I want to say one thing, and that is if this SSL is not working. Okay, if this SSL is still not working, if this SSL is giving you an error or anything, then make sure to just go to dashboard and just use these type of plugins that I'm telling you right now. Okay, just go to plugins, just go to add new, and then let's go to SSL. Let's just search for SSL. Okay, so you can just come here, you can just click here, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just you can choose WordPress HTTPS. Okay, so intended to be all-in-one solution using SSL on WordPress. Okay, this is like force HTTPS. Like if you have any HTTP, it will force that to be like HTTPS. Okay, and if you have SSL insecure content, then it's gonna do the job as well. So you can choose any type of plugin. Okay, you can read that document and then you can find the bug that where anything is causing. Okay, and you can see that if the green padlock is not coming, okay, then what you have to do, you have to just right click, you have to click inspect element, and you have to go to console. Okay, so then you will see that, okay, this is the console, here is a problem, and it will give you an error there. Then you have to look into that matter, and then you can do that. So this is so easy, guys. Okay, mostly people, what they do if they get an error, they just hire a developer. The developer only just see, okay, where's the code is. So everybody do not know where the function is causing the issue. So make sure to go to console and then see where your problem is. To not hire a developer for just this type of small task. They're gonna charge you like $100 for this. Okay, so I hope you get it. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. I hope you enjoyed my this course. Okay, I'll be updating my course in future. Okay, so thanks a lot and bye bye.